Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix RCS chats aren't available for this device on Google Messages. Method 1. Clear cache and data. Go to Settings. Go to Apps. Scroll down to Messages and tap on it. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. Restart your phone and see if problem is fixed. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall Google Messages. Long press Google Messages icon for more options and select Uninstall. Tap on OK to uninstall app. Open the Play Store app, then reinstall Google Messages. Once done, launch Google Messages and RCS chats should now available. That's it guys, hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.